In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your master password in Bitwarden. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow along carefully to keep your account secure. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden homepage. Simply type in bitwarden.com in your address bar, and you'll be directed to the best password manager for business, enterprise, and personal use. For those new to Bitwarden, this platform is an excellent choice for securing your digital life with its robust security features and user-friendly interface. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button and click it. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your existing credentials. This step is essential as you can only change your master password once you're logged into your Bitwarden account. If you spot the login section right away, go ahead and enter your email and password. Then proceed by clicking the Login button. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Bitwarden vault. This is essentially your dashboard, where all your secure information is stored. Here, you will need to navigate to the Settings section. Usually, this can be found on the side menu or in a drop-down from your account profile on the top right corner. Clicking on Settings opens up various options for managing your account. Now that you're in the Settings area, look for and click on Security. This section includes all the security settings you might need, such as managing keys and authentication methods. It's important to regularly check in with these settings to ensure your account remains as secure as possible. In the Security section, you'll see an option labeled Master Password. This is the gateway to changing the primary key to your vault. By pressing on Master Password, you'll see an option that says Change Master Password. Select it to proceed. You'll then be prompted to verify your current master password. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and authorizes any changes to be made. Enter your current master password into the space provided. After that, you'll need to type in your new master password. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you can remember. It's always a good idea to combine letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it by typing it again, click on the Save button. Your master password is now updated. Remember, this new password is the key to all your stored information in Bitwarden, so store it securely. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your master password in Bitwarden. With these steps complete, your account should be more secure. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.